Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by prepping the bike where the sticker will go. Remove grease and dirt with isopropyl and a lint-free cloth so adhesion is reliable. Once the surface is dry, measure and mark the exact placement with painter's tape and a ruler to ensure alignment. This saves rework. If the vinyl feels stiff, warm it slightly with your hands or a hairdryer to make it pliable, because that prevents lifting and helps the sticker contour to curvature. You now apply the sticker starting from one anchored edge. Peel the backing about 1 inch and tack that edge down to lock the position. Then, holding at a 45-degree angle, use a squeegee or credit card with moderate pressure to pull the sticker outward, smoothing as you go so air escapes toward the edges. For compound curves, work slowly, stretch minimally, and reheat to relax the vinyl. This is why controlled tension and incremental smoothing prevent creases and ghost bubbles. You finish by trimming excess material with a new blade, cutting along a straight edge and leaving a tiny overlap at joints so water won't wick underneath. Once trimmed, heat the perimeter gently and press firmly for 20 to 30 seconds to set the adhesive and lock edges. If small bubbles persist, puncture them with a fine pin and press out the air, then reheat and smooth. This fixes trapped air without damaging the sticker and ensures long-term adhesion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.